The Vogues, the Powerhouses, and finally, the Big Splash, and they are off. Prepare for a whirlwind cash dash in Quick Cash. The team that secures a big enough stash first will triumph.
Jump
Right
here!
on the money, Scotty. Speed is key.
The Big Splash are unlocking Vault 1.
The line! Frag grenade out!
Frag grenade set. The Powerhouses will need to come back from that wipeout.
They couldn't keep the roof from caving in on their game plan.
The Powerhouses have respawned. The match is starting to heat up as the Vogues have started our first countdown.
Frag out! Jump pad ready.
Ouch! The Powerhouses suffered a wipeout.
Scotty, even the best
Mine's
can
the
grind into
mine.
a halt.
Planting a mine!
Powerhouses are back.
Jump pad deployed!
The Powerhouses have turned
Tossing
up
a
the
frag.
heat with a stunning turnaround.
Tossing a frag. Drop the mine. Explosive mine out. Special delivery.
The Vogues are strutting back into the
What a way to further cash out. The Powerhouses are back in play.
Gotta reload.
Complete team wipe for the Vogues.
You get wiped with that much panache. Good posture, too.
It's event time. I hope our contestants are ready for a surprise out there.
The Powerhouses are strong.
Our orbital laser is on, and it's not a fan of loitering. All contestants standing still for too long will probably regret it.
Lasers event is still active.
Reloading. Explosive mine placement. Throwing a frag.
A team-wide mishap for the Vogues.
I hope they aren't planning on making this a trend.
Reloading.
The Vogues have returned to the arena.
Frag grenade out. Special delivery. Jump pad ready. Deploying a surprise.
We've reached the end of this game show.
Reloading. Drop the mine. Frag out. Explosive mine out.
Impressive steal by the Big Splash.
Frag grenade set. Arming a mine.
The Big Splash is setting the pace. And just like that, a new vault has appeared in the arena.
Pyro grenade out. Deploying jump pad. Arming a mine. Explosive mine out.
On top, we now have the Big Splash.
Tossing a frag. Frag out.
The powerhouses are back in the arena, folks. Halftime. Don't touch that dial. Things can change pretty quickly around here. The Big Splash are accessing Vault 3. Alas, the powerhouses have been wiped out. The powerhouses have returned to the arena.
Setting a mine. Find the mine.
Splash have a cash out in the works.
Deploying a surprise!
The Vogues have been rattled. Team wiped.
That's not a trend that I recommend our contestants follow.
Back in Vogue. Team respawn.
Explosive mine! Frag grenade out! Sending a frag! Toxic gas in! Dematerialized. Detonation!
Time's up and the curtain falls on this match. It's lights out in the arena just as the spotlight swings to our winners. From all of us here at the finals, thanks for watching.